ne pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no monyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomode ne behwe too much GH behwe ne so scrap bomode o behwe pe na wa ye so scrap o so scrap so scrap na so scrap na o so scrap a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no monyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na behwe too much GH behwe ne so scrap bomoden o behwe pe na wa ye so scrap o so scrap so scrap na so scrap na o so scrap a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na.
And he said unto me,
na oka echere me say,
son of man,
onipa ba,
son of man,
onipa eba,
come up here
frobra esoro ha,
and let me show you what is ahead.
na me nchiro de wo wanim.
And as he whispered into my ears, come up here,
abra kasa gumaso se memra esoro ha no.
immediately I was in the spirit of God.
Bofirumwa ibowura honhom emu.
And in the spirit,
na honhom emu no,
I saw an angel
mihu obofo,
who in the description looks like a horse,
obofo odise ponko,
pure white.
fitapa.
He has 6 wings,
O ntaban ensia,
but he looks like a normal horse.
na odise ponko keke ponko akasa.
His face is like a horse.
Na enim dise ponko.
The difference is the wind.
Ensonsuye da ponko papa eye entaban.
It's a horse that has a wind.
Aye ponko owo entaban.
And I looked.
Na me hwe.
He has 7 eyes.
O eniwa enson.
7 eyes.
Eniwa magumako enson.
And the one sat on the throne.
Na ne oti ayengwa no so no.
He said, son of man,
Osi onipa ba.
I've employed this spirit.
Yi sa honhom yi.
This spirit
Sa honhom yi.
to carry you into the nations of the world.
Ofa nko ewiase afana enyina.
And then whatever you see,
Na de odi wani be hu bia no.
you shall declare it.
Obepemu aka.
Whatever I show you,
De me de be kire bia no.
you shall declare it.
Obepemu aka.
Then I sat on the horse,
Na me tena ponko no eso.
and the horse began to fly with me,
Ponko no sha se de me etu ye.
and he began to move me,
O sha se de me ekoi.
moving me into the nations of the world.
De me ko wiase afana enyina.
Some places we went, I've never been there before.
Bia ya ponko de me ko ande me nko hopo da me nim ho.
And when we went into the deep side of the world,
Ye ko wiase ba bia emu edopa no.
I saw a mountain,
Me hu be popa.
a very big mountain.
Me poka siepa.
But the spirit took me inside the mountain.
Honhom ne ade me ewura be pon emu.
And when we entered the mountain,
Mo wura be pon emu no.
the place looks like a city.
Ba be pon ma kwa se ekuro.
It looks like 10 cities put together.
Akwa se ekuro du a yaka bomu.
The place was huge and big,
Na hon e ba bi ka siepa.
and there was so much activities going on.
Jubadia wura bebre na ekoso ewo
And I
ho.
saw a man sitting on the throne,
Me se be ma bi ati ayengwa eso.
and that man,
Na sa be ma no.
he has a horn.
Owo ameben.
He has a horn,
Owo abeben.
and there were too many people around him.
Ni ba bebre etwa ne ho ahia.
Everybody was worshiping him.
De wo twa ne ho ahia nyina ekoto sore no.
And the spirit said unto me,
Honhom ne ka kire me se.
son of man,
Onipa ba.
whatever you see,
De odi wani be hu bia no.
make sure you see it well,
Omode se be huri ni
then you
yi.
can declare it well.
What me aka ni yi enso.
So I looked,
Me hwe.
and as I was looking at the vision,
Me hwe ni swadi huru no.
that spirit sitting on that throne,
Honhom no eti ayengwa no so
his
no.
name is called Lucifer.
Your friend Obronsam.
Lucifer.
Obronsam.
And I saw him,
Na me hu no.
and he opened his mouth.
Na obie na no.
Guess what? He opened his mouth widely,
Obie na no kese pa.
and things things were coming out of his mouth.
na ensɛm ɛnɛma epie fi n'anum
And there were thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands.
ensɛm bebree ɛna epie fi n'anum ba
When you open his mouth,
obie n'ano a
there were flyers,
asɛ
like a house of flyers,
ɛnwansena
coming plenty from his mouth.
wansena bebree efi n'anum ɛɛba
When he closed his mouth,
ɔka n'ano tum a
then they stopped.
na wansena no ɛgyae
Then
ba
he opened his mouth in the second time.
obie n'ano mpire no ɛsoɔ
This time the flyers coming,
ɛnwansena no epie fi n'anum
they
ɛɛba
were
no
bigger, huge than the first one who came.
na ɔmo soso kyen ɛnwansena no epie kane no
And the Lord said to me, son of man, what are you seeing?
kakyɛ mi sɛ onipa pa ɛdeɛ na uhui
He said, I see flyers coming from the mouth of the one sitting on the
besi mi ho
throne.
ɛnwansena sɛ epie fi nipa na ɔkye
He
ahengua no
said, the
ɛɛba
meaning of what is coming out of his mouth,
ɔsi wei asekyerɛ ɛne sɛ
it is the deadly disease
ɛyɛ yadeɛ a yɛde wuo
that came from Satan.
a efura boronsam
He said, the
ɛkyɛn
sickness
yadeɛ
called coronavirus,
a yɛfrɛ no corona yadeɛ
it
no
is a virus that came from the womb of Satan himself
efura boronsam awodeɛ
to
ankasa emu
crush the whole world,
ɔbɛsɛ wiase
to
nyinaa
destroy the world,
sɛ ɔbɛsɛ
to
wiase
destroy human life.
ɔbɛsɛ nipa ɛnkwa
And he said unto me,
ɔka kyerɛ mi sɛ
have you seen the second one coming?
wɔn wo deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu na ɛɛba
I
no
said, yes.
bɛsi ayɛ mɛ ho
And he said unto me,
ɔka kyerɛ mi
he
sɛ
said, there's a second and the third one.
deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu deɛ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa
That
ɛɛba
one is more dangerous and it's more severe,
mpo
more than the first corona that came.
ɛkyɛn corona kane na ɛbaayɛ no
But as there were flies were coming plenty,
abira nwansan ɛɛba
they
bebree
were
no
spreading into the nations of the
ɔmo
world.
kɔ wiase afɔ nyinaa
But as I was watching the vision,
abira mehwɛ ni sɔde wuru na
I saw a mighty angel
mehuna ɔbɔfo kɛseɛ
who also have 6 wings.
a ɔwɔ taban esi
You also have 7 eyes.
ɔwɔ aniwa ɛnson
Look at me.
hwɛ mi paa
And he came direct from heaven,
ofiri ɔsoro yɛn mi na ɛbaayɛ
and he came in the sea.
na ɔba ɛpo emu
He didn't step on the sea.
wɔn nyinaa ɛpo no so
He was hanging there.
na ɔsensɛn so
But in his hand, he was holding a rod.
na apoma ekuta
And
no
he stretched forth the rod.
ɔtena apoma no
And he directed
na ɔde
the
kyerɛ
second flyers who came.
tɔso mienu ofura
He
bonsam
directed them all them into the ocean.
ɔde wɔn nyinaa ɛkɔ ɛpo no emu
He directed them all into ocean.
ɔmo nyinaa ɛkɔ ɛpo no mu
And the Lord said,
awurade kan sɛ
go tell my people,
kɔnɔ kɛtɛ mi nkɔfo
I'm
sɛ
bringing redemption to the world.
bɛri ɔgyeɛ bɛ
I will
wiase
bring the redemption
bɛri ɔgyeɛ
to the world.
ɛbɛ wiase
There was going to be a second and you are seeing.
corona na odi wani ehu
There was going to become a severe one that is more dangerous.
deɛ ano ɛden paa ɛbɛba
But the Lord said,
na sɛ awurade si
I have stopped that one.
mɛsi ano kwan
He will not come among you.
ɛmma mo ntɛm
He will not come among the nations.
ɔmma ewiase mu
The impact of that sickness
kyɛ yadeɛ nsu nsansoɔ no
it has been destroyed.
yasɛn no
You didn't celebrate this thing.
jesus lord
Sorry.
efiri pɔnbɔ so
Up to August,
ekosi ɔksana bɔ so
coronavirus
corona yadeɛ no
is going to start fading out.
ɛbɛ yira kura
Fading out, fading out, fading out, fading out, and fade out completely. If you are a child of God, jump on your feet and celebrate God for that. Give him praise. Give him praise. I looked and I watched, and he said, whatever you see, you shall declare it. That's the first vision.
ɛni sɔde wo edi kan no
So next year,
afi ebesi
a manifestation of God's grace.
onyame adom ɛbɛ dɛ de sukwanso no kɔ so
Gradually, this strange sickness,
ɛwɔ wɔn so yi
it is a sickness from the womb of Satan himself, Lucifer himself,
yadeɛ efiri ɔbɔnsam ankasa awudie mu
to destroy the earth,
sɛ ɔde bɛ se
to
wiase
destroy the world.
wiase
And I entered
na mi bɔ wura
another vehicle.
ɛhyɛn foforɔ bi emu
This time, it's like a chariot.
saa abiri ni sɛ asɛ
They
tia
come
sɛ
and put me inside
ɔde mi tena tia sɛ na
and
ne
say,
mu
follow us.
ɔsi di akyi
Then we will show you
na mɛ kyerɛw
things to come.
ɛnɛɛma ɛbɛba
And whatever you see,
deɛ ɔde wɔn bɛ hu
make sure
biara
you see it well.
baabi sɛ london asɛ
When I
united
got to
kingdom
the United Kingdom,
we do uk no
there was a severe funeral.
na ɛyie kɛseɛ paa
And
ɛkɔ
the
so
funeral I saw,
ɛyie na mi hu yɛ no
it's like a national funeral for a nation. It's a state funeral.
ɔman no nyinaa ɛyie
They have declared a state funeral. funeral. There's going to be a major death in this year in United Kingdom, and it will become a national death. And we need to pray. We need to pray. All this the Lord is showing me. He's asking me to pray. So we are not just listening to them without doing anything about it. So he settled me now in Ghana. Now I'm in Ghana. I said, now I am in Ghana. Now, this year, I looked and I saw this evil spirit. His face is like a cat, but he has a human body. And he came to enter parliament, Ghana parliament. And when he entered the parliament, he opened his mouth widely and he blew a wind from inside him. But what came out of him, it was a smoke and fire. The whole place was smoke and the whole place was fire. The Lord said we should pray for Ghanaian parliament, because this year shall be a year of big confusion in the parliament. Severe confusion. Something will take place in our parliament. So we need to pray. We need to pray for the parliament. Otherwise the place will never be comfortable for them. For them to sit down to govern the nation. There's a smoke all over the place. Typical confusion. So the Lord said we should pray for the parliamentarians, because it will be a year of many confusion among them. So we need to pray. Somebody say we need to pray. We need to pray for who? For the parliamentarians. We need to pray for them, because I see the smoke there and it has messed up everything. Number two, I see this year economically, the economy of the country is going to boom. It's going to go up. It will go up. It will go up. Now look at me. It will grow to 8+%. The Lord said he will bless the finances of the country. Now I looked that he will bless the finances of the country, and immediately I was in the spirit and I went into the main bank. What is the name of the main bank?
Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana.
They call Bank of Ghana.
And as I was looking at the building, something happened that if you are watching this prophecy, take it serious. I looked and I saw the picture on the building. The picture on the building. And I saw that picture. And I also went to the Ministry of Finance. And I said, I see a picture of a man. And they said, whose picture did you see? And I said, I see the picture of the one in charge over the finances of Ghana. Hear me. The Lord said we should pray for Mr. Ofori Attah. If we don't pray for him from January to March, this man will die. This man will die. As I'm talking to you, I'm standing in this church, but I am in his house, and I see 4 men. These 4 men, they are into occult, and they are into Freemason. And I saw them digging his grave. They are digging his grave. They are digging his grave. The Lord said, if we don't pray for him, this year will be a bad year for the Minister of Finance. witchcraft attack against his health, for them to eliminate him off. But that says the Lord, if we will pray, God shall deliver him. I said the Lord shall deliver him. His picture is still there as I'm watching. As I'm watching, and the Lord showed me something. In between these two main political parties, both NDC and MPP, 2024, it will be a year, a very tough year. It will be a year that they will spend money more than ever before for election. And I see NDC being divided. I see huge confusion, and there are fights going on. And I was looking that they will have a new flag bearer. I didn't see anybody, but I still saw Muhammad standing. His face was standing there. But after him, I begin to see confusion. Some of them said we don't want him. Some of them said we want him. They were, and the Lord said, now check the other party. And I look at MPP. I looked, and I saw two men. I saw Alan Chamatin, the vice president. The vice president. Both of them were standing there. And I saw something. I saw Alan's hands was lifted, and another hand came from behind, was pulling that hand down. But the man quickly lifted the hands high. The Lord is also telling me that you must also pray for that political party, because that party too, there will be a major confusion there. So this year is going to be a year of confusions. But those who know their God, they shall be exempted. I said they will be exempted. You didn't hear what I said? They will be exempted. They will be exempted. They will be exempted. Now, and I went and I look at something, and the Lord said, pray for President Nana Akufo-Addo, because people have gathered and they have vowed that he will not finish the 4 years. He will die 2.5 years immediately when they saw him here. There are people who, and it will come through poison, through